and this was a while back, you only remember this, was the guy got into the kennel club, and they said, no more. If you breed any more of these dangerous dogs, then we're no letting you breed any.
Welcome to Hotel Tumble, yes. Here's your room key, and if you need anything else, ring this bell. Enjoy the room. Oh, look at that. Delicious.
Here's a chance to get my eye up to the bloody hole, eh, Jack? Oh, there you are.
Can you see me now?
Aye.
Who are you?
I'm in the computers. Are you in the computers, son? Do you work the computers?
Aye.
Well, you know how the way the letters are all laid out all over the place on the
Well, if you want one, get one. Can I justify spending 30, 40 quid a month on something I hardly use? Oh no! Gordo experience wrong way down a one-way street.
Aye, so it was in the news, in the papers, you know, that some guy had managed to invent a bed that was so comfy that when you fell asleep on it, you'll no wake up.
Monkey! Staring back at me! Hello, monkey!
Bike.
You screw short of a... This is boring, isn't it?
Aye. It's not as fun as I thought it was going to be.
You in the computers? Are you in the computers, son? Do you work at the count for days?
Okay, here comes the next one, Frankie. But first, feast your eyes on my work. Now this is my most emotionally moving shot. Now this is my sexiest shot. Okay. This is my most violent shot. Check it out.
A man must live within his means.
Winston, have you any idea what's in cat food?
Aye. Liver and marrow and... £5.
What the hell are you playing at? That's it, I made my mind, I'm going to kill myself.
We've a want to felt to do the wrong of.
You done with that big bloody message back out with you?
Hey, oh, there's a pillar in there.
You didn't bring in a pillar.
I'm going to take a heater right outside the shop.
What are you on about? I thought we were going for... No.
I was
on my way to get my...
Aye, that's right, there you are.
Right.
And then I'm like that there. Can I come and oh? Manager says, of course your pal can come.
Aye, and you come to see you. That's smashing, aye.
We're off and running free, Jack.
Aye.
That's the game now, Jack. That's the game. That's the game now, Jack. We just take it just to rain. Run that free lunch. Make this rain.
Blink, blink.
That's the game now, Jack. You want that free lunch? Right as rain.
Oh, my Lord, Jesus. That's a real right. I don't know if I could stomach any lunch. I'm not feeling it.
What if it gets to the boiler? The boiler?
The boiler?
What are we going to do?
The boiler.
What are we going to do?
Oh, there you are. Hi. No! I tell you, no!
消したつもりでも過去というものは人間のこればかりはどんな部下だろうと任せられない。動かないぞ。指が俺の体が
When you fell asleep on it, you'll no wake up. To do the round of conduct.